Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well. In this one, I'm going to be drawing a cool gingerbread house to go with the gingerbread man theme. Let's start with up the middle of the page near the top with a star. This is going to be the star on the top of the building. Kind of tricky to draw a star, but if you have difficulties, you just got to keep trying. You can draw like a ever seen people do those types of stars before? You can do that. Now I'm going to draw a line coming down here for the roof and a line coming down here for the roof. Use your whole arm. Don't want to use a ruler because we want it to make it look a little bit more bit of character. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring some snow on the roof and just bump that down like so. And bring that back around, and I'm going to try and match that on the other side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps, and bring that back around. Now I did have a bit of a play with the chimney to see what we could put on in the chimney, but with this one I'm going to have some snow on the chimney, so just bring that down, and you can bring the snow so it looks like it's dripping like that, or melting. There's the snow on top of the chimney. And guess who's coming soon, guys? We've got Santa's boots here. So there's one boot with the sole, and we're going to do the other side boot. Let's put some lights on the roof. You can make your own little lights. I'm just doing some little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try and position them the other side. I'm drawing in pencil. So if I'm not happy with something, I can quickly rub it out. Now this window is going to be a cute window, so a rounded shape like so. And then try and do 4 rounded squares inside that for the window, leaving a gap similar. If you wanted to just draw the lines across, you can, and then rounding that off. Now let's draw the walls. Now the walls are going to come in a bit. I'm going to give myself some room down the bottom for the snow, so I'm going to put there's the ground. I'm going to have a doorway here, so my doorway looks like that, big arch, and I'm going to put another line like so with a door handle. You could put welcome signs or whatever you like on. I'm trying to keep it simple so you can draw and then add some details. This is like a path coming out through the front, and then we're going to have some snow on the ground, almost like a snow puddle. Bring that around. Now I want these to be striped like candy canes, so I'm just going to break them into even shapes, and notice how I'm going around, changing the angle as I go around there to come back the other way. Let's draw a candy cane over here for a bit of decoration, so a line like that. And another line that matches on the inside, and I'm going to round that off. And now I'm going to draw curved lines like so to make it look like it's curved. There's a candy cane, and then this one's going to be like a lollipop candy cane. So a couple of lines, big circle, put a dot in the middle. And now I'm going to bring these lines around like this. You can add as many as them as you like, or as few. And to finish this off, I'm just going to put a little window on each side of here. So another rounded square. And it just fits in there. You can make them a little bit smaller. And 4 little rounded squares again. Now some of my other ideas, I had things like smoke coming out the chimney, I had Merry Christmas coming out there, I had a candle, but I kind of like this idea the best. You could draw Christmas trees down the side. But there is a simple gingerbread man house. I'm just going to go over that with an outliner. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember to stay creative. See you in the next one.